Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headphones Marshall Major Phi with a cable. All you need to have for this is just mini jack to mini jack cable, and your device should have aux port. So now connect mini jack cable to aux port on your device, and then at the bottom of your right ear cup we have also aux port near to the USB-C port. So connect the second mini jack cable right at this port, and now you can listen to music. You don't need to turn on your headphones, just listen it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!